Good morning children, welcome back to the class. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home and studying well also. I have started the lessons for the half yearly and I believe you all that you are preparing well for your exams, and I have given you the PDF also in your school app. Please see and complete the PDF. Now today let us see the English first. We are learning lesson number 10 for third student. Lesson number 10. What is our lesson name? Singular and plural. What is our lesson name? Singular and plural. This lesson already we have started and we have discussed about the two exercises, and what is singular, what is plural also we have spoke there. So the nouns when one, singular and plural when we will use. When we will use singular will be used if the only single noun is there. Like suppose toy, baby, anything. Single thing when we are speaking, like a pencil, duster. So all these things only one. So we can say this is comes under the singular. Under the singular it comes. And the plural. Under the plural, when two things are there. When two things, like pencil I said. Now pencils. What is pencil and pencils? So yes, we are adding. Like that, chalk is there. Chalk means one we will say. Chalks. When two pieces we have, then whatever it is more than one, if it is there, then we call them as a plural. It comes under the plural. So we have discussed in last class about the when to which words we have to add yes and where we have to add es and all we have completed. Yes and es how to add for the plural that we have completed. Now today let us see the next one, exercise number 3. Exercise number 3 is telling us about the what to do when end of the word if y is there. Y is end of the word. End of the word if y is there, then what we have to add there are telling I should be added. What we have to add? I. In the place of y we have to add I. If it is when it comes turns into the plural. When this word turns into the plural. For example, we will be taking baby. What is it? B-A-B-Y. Baby. So this is a singular. This comes under the singular, baby. And here, end of the word, what is there? Y. The word, what letter we are using here? Y. So when Y, baby, Y is there. When we want this one, want to change into the plural, then what we will be using? B-A, B-I, B-A, B-I. And I will use. The next what we have to use? As usual, you have to use es. As usual, you have to use what here? Es. Babies. Baby, babies. So, for the singular, we are using baby. And for when it turns into the plural, in the place of y, we have used I. And then what we have added here? So, what we have added? Es. So, baby, babies. This is the thing. The next one more example we will be seeing. Lorry, L-O, double R, Y. Lorry. Then when, how, what is the same thing? Here Y is there. Then what we have? L-O, double R, I. What we have to add as usual? Es for the plural. Lorry, lorries. So this is the thing. Baby, babies, lorry, lorry. And every time we have to change this, you can ask a doubt. For some words in this, if the vowel before the Y, so before the Y, say, if there is a vowel before the Y, if before the Y, if the word vowel is there, what are the vowels? A, I, sorry, A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. We know very well. This we call as a vowels. So what they are telling, when you no need to add instead of y, no need to add y, I here. When before the y, if vowel is there, suppose like a day, D-A-Y, day. And before the y, what is there? A. A is here what? Vowel. If the vowel is there before the y, then we no need to change y into the I here. In plural, what we can write? Only we have to add yes. D-A-Y, yes, days. D-A-Y-S, days. Only if, remember my dears, if vowel is there before the y, vowel, any of the vowel in this, A, E, I, O, U, any one is there, no need to change y into I in a plural. Only you have to add, after the y you have to add yes. That is enough. Like this only toy. T-O-Y. And O is a vowel. So what we will be writing here? T-O-Y-S. Toys. Is it clear? Like this. Remember every time before the y, if the vowel is there, any of the vowel is there, you no need to change y into I in a plural. Only you have to add their s. Till here, is it clear? I hope so. Now, the next one we will be seeing. The next thing here that we have, and now you see, if the end of the sentence, when the noun ends in a F or FE, so F or FE, we drop F or FE and add VES. So, exercise number 4 we are coming now. Exercise number 4. What they are telling, exercise number 4. If letter ending, if the word is ending with the letter, word is ending with a letter F or FE. F or FE. So, what we have to add in the place of F or FE, we have to add VES. What we have to add? VES we have to add. So here, if you see the some sentences and then exercise we will see. Remember what we had before? In the place of Y, we have added the I. In the place of Y, we have added the IES. Now, and vowel, if the before the Y vowel is there, we have not removed the Y in plural. Only we added, after the Y we have added yes. That is about the one. Exercise number 3 we completed. Now exercise number 4, what they are telling, if the word is ending with F or FE, in the place of this place, instead of this, what we have to add? V and as usual ES. Clear this much? So now we will see the exercise. So here first one you see anything, half. H-A-L-F. What is there? H-A-L-F. Half is there. Now what they are telling, what we have in the place of F, what we have to add? Half. H-A-L. After what? F is there. So in the place of F, what we have to add? V-E-S. So this should be added in the place of F. Clear to you all? So half. So here we have done like this. The next one, when it comes life, L-I-F-E, L-I-F-E. So here what is the F-E is ending. We have told F4 F-E, it is ending with this both means we have to remove this and we have to add V-E-S. Now how life, lives. So L-I. So L-I. What we have to write? L-I you will write? L-I-V-E-S. Life. What is it? So life when it comes. So life leaves. So leaves we will be writing here. in the place of F. Here we have done one exercise and here also F. So this both exercise in your textbook it is there. You try to do by yourself. If you have any doubt, then I will clarify with you people. The next one here and all what to do and all we will see in a next class. Till here if you have learned and if you have any doubt you can call me personally and you can clarify with me. Thank you all.